obviously gonna keep eye.
You have an eye?
Yeah, I moved it behind the wooden spools. But I'm basically gonna check on it. But then I'm gonna talk to Rainey saying that we have to do different push on it. Yeah, so that's obviously something we want to fix because obviously what happened last weekend. Yeah, it's no fun when things.
They'll never see my children.
No, I don't think they will.
Is that a CCP09?
Yeah. Got it from you.
Nice, man. I got one too, but I didn't think they sounded so loud.
Make sure that you don't run out of that. Why are you?
So you're gonna probably go straight for the flag, huh? Cool.
Yeah, take off that
Oh shit, they're here.
Already? Fuck. Oh, fucking hit. You're good, bro. Damn. But one time I don't wear my gloves, man. Shit, sorry, my bad, dog.
They're shooting at me, I was trying to get out of the way.
You're good, you're good. Ah, fuck! You're right, what the fuck?
Watch it, there's one over there.
Shit. Where's the fucking respawn?
Oh, it's back there.
Ah, god damn it. Yeah, I'm out. My bad. Sorry, guys. Couldn't find the respawn, man. I know that son of a bitch gets in the way. Fucking just take that shit off and put it in your pocket.
Yeah, no, it's because the chrono. It's like on the chrono, so I can't even take it off.
Oh, damn.
So I'm kind of fucked.
You just gotta hold it, you know?
Yeah.
Everybody I see holds it like this, you know?
Really?
It's like the spot to hit it, yeah. Oh, but you don't got that. Shit. Oh, you're good. Just wrap it next to this.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right.
You just put it on it, yeah. Or just kind of slide it in there. All right, I'm out.
Thank you.
You're welcome, bro. You good, bro?
Let's just go across and like push him, yeah?
Right.
Let me take your spot, sorry. Whoop. I'm straight right over you.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Hey, you're gonna go diagonal.
We got one, my bad, we got one straight in front and then one on the left right here.
Here. Come with me.
Shit.
Me and you are gonna push. Get over here. I know. Oh, that's up. Straight ahead.
Guys, you're gonna be, there's somebody two right here. Whoa, shit. Moving out. Ah, fuck. Damn. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Got some traction there.
Look cool though.
Damn.
Still winning though?
I don't know. I don't even know. I don't even know what I want to do.
Straight ahead? Oh, yeah. Straight that way.
It's behind this?
There's like 3 of them.
Ooh. Oh. On your right, bro. You good? Oh, shit.
Damn.
Yeah. Oh, that's not even it. Fuck. I got a bunch of babies in my shoes. What the fuck, how would that happen?
Are you missing a pistol there?
Yeah.
I got it.
Oh, thanks, man. I will use it. Thank you, bro. I don't know how that happens all the time, bro.
Here.
Jesus. Oh, wait.
On that far right side. They have their backs turned, all of them.
I don't see anybody over here. You're clear.
You good?
Oh, that.
There's 2 people behind the black wall right there.
Barney up front. The dinosaur. I mean, he's behind the barrels. On your right. Is there somebody over there?
Got him.
Ooh. Hit. Ah, fuck. Once again. There we go.
But yeah, try using 3-0s with it. 2 weights.
Shit, out of ammo. Shit, there's about 4 there. Oh no, he's hit now. Oh, hit.
Get that flag! Get that flag!
I can put a hole in the right.
Ooh. Oh. Nice.
Oh yeah, the whole map's just open right here.
We switch, right? That's a switch? Yeah. Cool. Hey, great game, buddy. Awesome, bro. Great game, guys. Great game. Great game. Whew. Fucking hot as fuck. some of that GTA.
Yeah, you guys like my new whip right there?
Woo!
Very roomy. Very lightweight.
Call of Duty, baby.
Yeah, like 5 people got a truck.
Right?
No. That's horsepower right there. It's my horsepower.
Oh, sorry, I'm not allowed.
Well, look, we go down the hill, we get massive speed though.
It would have been nice if it wasn't like.
Yeah. We slowly do that. It's our defensive.
Hey, we're just running just one little group and then we get together.
Alright, Pinky.
There's
guys, everybody quiet
he even
down.
said
Everyone
there's
come
no
over
way
here.
there's no way to get there and come back.
Over here, you guys over here.
So you go there and suicide mission.
Yeah.
You gotta overcome them.
So on
I
that
got it,
game,
then I guess I need it.
obviously it goes back and forth. That's why I had to reposition myself when people are saying certain people are not getting hit. I reposition myself so I can see if they're actually hitting you. From a longer distance, sometimes you can't